of our favorite treats, Cocoa Crinkles and Rice Krispie Bars. First, we're making Cocoa Crinkles. First, pour in flour, cocoa, and salt and baking soda. Then mix these together. First, melt your butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Then pour in 1 1/4 cups of sugar and your vanilla. Then pour your butter mixture into your flour mixture. Then crack in 2 eggs. Now mix it all together. Now refrigerate your dough for 2 hours. I usually find it easier if you take the dough out of the bowl and wrap it in plastic wrap before you put it in the refrigerator. Preheat your oven to 350 and grease your cookie pans. Take your dough out of the refrigerator and roll it into small balls. Then take your other 1/2 cup of sugar, pour it into a bowl, and put the small ball of dough into the bowl and cover it with sugar. Then put it on the cookie sheet and flatten it out. Now put your cookies in the oven for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, take your cookies out of the oven and allow them to cool. Once they have cooled, take 2 that are the same size, frost them with some chocolate frosting, and stick them together. When they're done, they should look like this. If you want, you can crush up some candy canes and roll the edges of your cookies in the crushed candy canes to make it a minty treat. Now we're going to make Rice Krispie treats. First, melt 5 1/2 cups of marshmallow and 1/4 cup of butter. We melt it in the microwave, but be careful in taking it out of the microwave because the bowls will be hot. You can also melt things on the stove. Then mix together the butter and marshmallows. And add a teaspoon of vanilla. Then pour the melted marshmallows and butter in with the Rice Krispies and mix together. Then grease a pan and put the Rice Krispies and marshmallows into the pan. Press the Rice Krispies down in the pan. You might need to grease your hands if the Rice Krispies are too sticky. Then refrigerate or cool before you cut them. You can make your Rice Krispie bars more Christmassy by adding red and green sprinkles. You can mix them in the batter or sprinkle them on top.